Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a nice little pile of goodies here. This is my Brisbane planner market haul. So I'm very excited to share this with you guys. It's not as big as some, that's for sure. I was very well behaved, but I do have quite a few very pretty things to share, so let's get started. The first store I headed straight to was Tender Designs because I wanted some of her exclusive bow washi release. So I just picked up the pink because it's the one I think I will use the most, and I was trying to be good. I'm a little bit upset. I picked up one of her enamel pins and I've worn it to work once and lost it. It's in my house somewhere. I just can't find it anywhere, and it's so pretty. I really liked it and I can't find it, so I'm a bit annoyed, but oh well, what can you do? Business card. So I got this little freebie sampler, very cute, and I also got this sheet as a freebie because I was one of the first 200 in line to get the goodie bag. So I got a bunch of like discount codes and not discount codes, like extras and discounts for the first 200 people in the door. So this was mine from Tender Designs, and that's really cute. I'll use that a lot. While I'm doing washi, I will show you my Washi Tape Australia purchases. I just got a few from her. So Bianca wasn't actually there herself. She actually runs the market, so she was running around like crazy all day trying to keep on top of everything. But I just picked up this white and rose gold tape. It's very pretty. I think it's nice and neutral. I'll use it a lot. I have this is another Washi Tape Australia roll that I use. It's probably my most used roll of tape. Trying to get it to focus. So it's white with gold spots. So I just wanted like an equivalent for rose gold that I can use a lot. And this is just flowers. So that will get a lot of use. And then I also spotted these. These are skinny tapes. So they're 3 different designs in each roll, both with gold foiling, a mint and a pink. So I thought I would definitely get heaps of use out of these. They're really nice. And I also popped into Simply Danni. She was on my wish list, so of course I had to head over there. I missed out on most of the things I wanted were gone, but I did pick up a donor corn. I was really happy to get this. I've had my eye on this for a while, so I got the little gold donor corn. It's on the gold hardware with the little gold horn, and I also grabbed this silver one for a friend's birthday. So if you watch my vlog, Danny was there with me and I grabbed this one for her birthday. So that's easy, she's done now. And with my VIP card, I got a freebie with her. So I got this little crocheted heart, like rainbow crochet heart clip. It's really cute, I like that. While we're doing charms, I'll show you my Little Tabby Co purchases. Of course, I went to see Maddie and I picked up 2 of her little Halloween style bows. So I just got a little mini black glitter clip, very cute. And I also got this cool bat wing bow with these really sparkly silver and black glitter. I really like that one. Can't wait to pop that into my Halloween setup. Okay, stickers, lots of stickers. I'll start with the smallest order. So I just picked up one of the little study packs from Stash. This is Jessie's store, who runs a Brisbane planner meetup, so definitely go over and check her store out and give her some love. So I just got this is the small study pack, so it has the sheet with today will write however many words. And then the script sheet, which I thought was awesome. It's got study your booty off, do not procrastinate, that assignment ain't going to do itself, which is unfortunately true. And then this sort of study sampler. So we've got cute little decorative icons, and then this die cut, the study your booty off. Really cool, nice and basic, and all really black and white. So I will get a lot of use out of those. Next is Clare Bear prints. Of course, I went over to say hello to Sam, and I got quite a few little bits and pieces. So to start with, I went over, of course, and grabbed some of her journal cards because they're all adorable. So you guys have seen this one already. This is in my July haul, and it's the Spring Rain one. Then we also have this cute little panda one. It's got less talky, more coffee. And then on the other side, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think. And they're just really cute. And then the ocean / beach themed one. So salt in the air, sand in my hair. Just beautiful for summer. Love those. And then stickers, I just picked up a few because I was a little overwhelmed, if I'm honest. She had a lot of stuff there and I just sort of spotted the ones that I knew I really wanted, and I just thought I'll just order the rest online. It was just a bit overwhelming. Honestly, if you haven't been to one of these markets, it was crazy, and her store was super busy every time I went past, so I just grabbed these couple. So I got the Study Mixed Animals, and she does these all in sheets of just the one animal as well, but I just grabbed the mixed one because, like I said, a bit overwhelmed. So it's just a bunch of little study animals. They're just so cute. I love them. And then, of course, I had to get the Halloween cats. I mean, come on. I've been eyeing these off as soon as I saw it up in her store. It's super, super cute. You've got little ghost cats, little witch cats, bat cats, skeleton cats, zombie cats. I'm just going to use this as much as I possibly can in October. Then with my VIP card, I got to pick a free sheet. So this is one I got. It's all like dinosaur bones. I got this for my son, clearly. I don't know whether I'm going to let him have it or whether I'm just going to use it to like mark. Because we go to the museum a bit and things like that. And he loves dinosaurs, so yeah, I might use it for that. Okay, and next is my order from Blackbird Print Co. And as you can see, I got quite a few pretties. So to start with, I got this beautiful vinyl. And you're not going to be able to see it, but it says, "Could you not?" There we go. And look at that, like it's beautiful iridescent, sort of almost clear, bluish, purplish, pinkish. Really, really pretty vinyl. I'm really excited about using this. Then I picked up a bunch of her foil overlays because they're just super, super beautiful. Of course, I've been eyeing these off and they were like 3 for $10 or something really inexpensive. So yeah, of course I grabbed a few. I grabbed a couple in the like holographic foil, but just look at that shine. That's incredible. I cannot get over how, like it's almost too shiny. You can almost not see it properly because of the reflection from my light, but look at that hollow. So pretty. So these are the lace headers. So these are all on clear. So they're going to go down over the top of your stickers and just look absolutely gorgeous, or over the top of white paper even. And that is all header strips, so I will get at least 2, 3, maybe 4 spreads using that, or I could just like pile up a spread full of them and just make it really beautiful. I can't get over how pretty those are. Then I've got the confetti hollow headers, so same hollow foil. Look at that shine, that's gorgeous. Same hollow foil, but with the confetti. Then I picked these up, and these are specifically to go with this Halloween kit, which I'm going to show you next. But I got these are both silver foil, and they're spiderwebs, clearly. These are full box overlays. So shiny. So these are the size of full boxes, and they will just overlay over the top of full boxes. And I like how these ones are just sort of corners, so you don't cover up all the art. You've got a full one here, and then like a almost full one there. Really beautiful. And then this one, which was a bit of an oops one, it's just got a couple of little bits of foil missing, but this is just a header sheet, and it's spiderwebs again on the clear overlay. I absolutely love these. I think they're so clever. Can't wait to use them. I'll probably get a few Halloween spreads out of those actually. Then the kit, which is gorgeous. I'm very excited. This is on her new premium paper, which is the first time I've managed to try this, and honestly, the printing, you can really see the difference. The vibrancy and just the richness of the printing on this paper is really, really different. So much more improved. I really, really like it. So these are the 4 boxes. How cool is this? This is the Haunted Mansion kit. She did all the art for this herself. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. As soon as I saw it on the website or on her Instagram, I think it was either her Instagram or her YouTube channel. Headers and little things. Then we have half boxes and some flags and deco. Ooh, very excited. This is a luxe kit, so there's heaps in here. We have the weekend banner, some teardrops and flags, a bilju, a couple of mini sort of checklists, icons, glitter headers. Whoa, look at that. The printing on that is so amazing. That looks like real glitter. I can't get over it. I don't think I've ever seen printing this vibrant on a matte paper. And then we have sort of your weekly boxes, your quarter boxes, and then lots of washi strips, which is awesome. And then header strips, washi strips, date dots, which I appreciate, and some more like appointment labels. habit tracker. Ooh, really excited, can't wait to use that. I love Halloween, really looking forward to it, even though my uni exams are the week of Halloween. It's gonna ruin it completely, but I'm trying to be positive. Next we have a lot of foil goodness, like foily goodness. So I got a couple of doilies because Jazz wraps all her stuff up really beautifully. Pretty doilies. Of course I can't show you that because I've unwrapped it because I have no self-control. I had to dive straight in, so sorry. But yeah, what can I say? So what I picked up one kit, a decorative like double quadruple box sticker thing, and I picked up a foiled sampler set. So she had little grab bags. I picked up one of the smaller grab bags just because she had so much there. Again, I was really overwhelmed and I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna go home and look online where I can look properly. So I just grabbed a few things, but these I thought I would get lots of use out of. So I got the mulberry icons. So it's a mulberry colorway. I really like this one. And the foil is kind of not super shiny. I'm not exactly sure what foil that is, but it's like a really soft gold, kind of like a matte gold almost. Then I got the blush glitter headers, and they've got like a really sparkly sort of hollow silver foil all over those. And then I've got the blush heart circle icons in the rose gold foil. They're beautiful. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up because my daughter's awake. So I'm not sure what to call this. I think it's a sticker, but I could be wrong. I'm gonna open it. As soon as I saw this, I squealed and grabbed it and said, that's mine. I'm taking that. So yeah, is it a sticker? It looks to be. I don't wanna, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just like a glossy cardstock, but it's this beautiful mermaid girl with this amazing mermaid crown and seashell earrings and blue hair. And it has Be a Mermaid and Make Waves on it in the pixie dust glitter, which is incredible. Incredible foil. It's just so sparkly and beautiful. And then along that same vein, I picked up the mermaid kit. So this is foiled. It's not all foiled. I think 2 of the sheets are foiled, but it's incredible, the bits that are. So this is the full box sheet. As you can see, it's all mermaids. This is pixie dust foil, which is now officially my favorite foil. I can't show you how sparkly and beautiful this is. It just does not show up on my camera. You can kind of see there, hold it at that angle. It's kind of silver, kind of hollow, but super glittery at the same time. I can't even describe it. It's incredible. Then we have the checklist sheet, some scallop boxes. This is all in glossy, by the way. Then we have headers and little things, except they're blank, so they're more like appointment labels. Half box sheet, which gets you habit trackers and some mini checklists, as well as some quarter boxes and lots of half boxes. The functional sheet, which gives you 3 of these sort of double tall boxes, all your checklist flags, some more functional stickers down the side and some flags. Beautiful. And then the washi sheet, which is foiled. So all that washi is foiled. There you can see. Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. I can't get over it. So all the washi is foiled, and then these sparkly boxes are foiled, and the date covers are foiled. I could look at this for days, seriously. I'm so excited. And I have since placed 2 more online orders with Arctic Paper Studio. I have a bit of a problem, but honestly, she really does have the best range of foil stickers. That is her thing, is foil. So, and she does it so well. I really cannot fault a single thing she does. I love all her stuff. So that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Like I said, not the biggest haul. If you want to see some slightly bigger ones, I suggest you go check out Aussie Sticker Queen, Blackbird Print Co. also did one. I will pop their channel names up on the screen here so you can see. And so mine was pretty restrained, like I said, but I'm still really happy with everything I got. I stayed in budget. I picked up most of the things that I went for that were specifically on my wish list. So I'm pretty darn happy with that. Thank you for joining me, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.